Hello everyone, this is Kerry Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to let go from your desires and allow them to manifest. So if you like the video related to manifestation power, I would like to request you all please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon or give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we begin, let's go. How to let go from your desire and allow them to manifest. But then someone comes along and tells you that you are doing it all wrong, that obsessing over what you want is not actually the best way to go, and that perhaps if you had of just let go your desire would have manifested by now. Frustrating? I know. What is this contradiction and how does it make any sense? In this video, you will learn all about what it means to let go, why it's so important, and the technique to make realizing your desire a piece of cake. What does it mean to let go? To let go of your desire is to stop worrying about whether or not it will manifest, how long it will take, how much you really need it right now, and if your manifestation effort are even working. This kind of worry only causes resistance. In other words, it actually holds you back from manifesting your desire. To let go is to be able to go about your daily life without having to worry about a single thing because you trust in the universe. When you trust and have faith that everything will work out in perfect timing, things are able to flow with ease. Your manifestation are able to move into place perfectly. Think about it. If you truly believe that your goals and desires are making their way into your life, would there be any reason to feel worried, to be fearful, or to obsess over controlling every minor detail? No. If you know in your heart that the universe is conspiring in your favor, that you would go and enjoy the rest of your day. You would let go of the how and when and simply continue to raise your vibration by feeling good and living your life while knowing that it's only a matter of time. Letting go is not about giving up on your goals. This is an important point to make. I know, even for me, the first time I heard about letting go, I thought, so what, I just give up on my goals entirely. But this is not the case. Set your intention, practice the manifestation technique, and follow inspired guidance toward your desire. These are not the things you need to let go of. Letting go is about freeing yourself from the negative thought and feeling associated with trying to manifest. Feeling like obsession, desperation, and impatience. Remember, like attract like, so when you feel these kind of emotion, you attract experience that create more of them. In other words, these feelings will only cause you to manifest lack. Another thing you need to let go of is the need to control the outcome. Needing to control how or when things will manifest create resistance because it comes from a place of doubt. When you are trying to control things, you are doubting the power of the universe, you are doubting your own abilities to manifest. Let go of control and trust in the process. The power of pure faith has been documented for centuries. Don't underestimate it. Another saying go, believe and you will receive. How do you let go in order to manifest more? Now that we have covered the basic of letting go and you know exactly what it is and how it works, we are going to turn our focus towards something a little more practical. You see, it's all well and good to preach the benefits of letting go, but how exactly is it done? How can you stop obsessing, stop worrying, and create more flow and less resistance in the way things manifest into your life? Below, I have listed 5 of my favorite techniques that you can use to manifest from a place of faith. The first one, create a manifestation box. Inspired by Abraham Hicks, a manifestation box is a set and forget type method that helps to detach from any obsession, worry, or fear over your desired manifesting. Now, before we begin, it's important to know that creating a manifestation box is not just a letting go technique, but a manifestation technique that combines intention setting with the act of letting go. The way it works is simple. Find a box, fill it with your written intention as well as anything else that represents your desire. Stow the box away and let the universe do the rest. The idea is that you work on your intention and then by putting them out of sight, you allow yourself to let go and continue your day-to-day life while having complete faith in the universe. You can place anything inside that resemble your desire as well as personal time to raise the vibration as a whole. Here are some examples of items commonly used in manifestation boxes. Positive messages or affirmation, pictures, magazine cutouts, money, jewelry, sentimental object, crystal. The manifestation box method allow you to let go of fear and worry because you know that your intentions are being projected out to the universe even though you are not thinking about them. This means that you will spend more time in a state of flow and less time questioning if you have done enough for your desires to manifest. The second part comes manifest mindset work. If you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change way dire. Your subconscious is a vast, mysterious part of your mind. It hosts every memory, feeling, thought, and skill that you have ever possessed and uses that information to shape who you are today. Now, in many respects, this is a positive thing, but sometimes it's your deepest belief that are preventing you from letting go of your manifestation in complete faith that the universe will handle it. If you have ever been told that you were not capable of achieving something, you picked up on the voice that people didn't believe in you. Or perhaps if you have heard others explain about it being hard to fulfill your goals and aspiration, then it is highly likely that your subconscious mind has been hijacked. The problem here is that you are so deeply programmed with doubt that it's easy to fall into the trap of trying to control your desire instead of allowing them to flow with trust and certainty. The good news is that there are ways to reprogram your mindset and let go of the limiting belief causing you to obsess over your desire. And by removing subconscious blockages, you can be free from doubt, therefore, open up the floodgates of allowance. Now, here are some ways to reprogram your mindset and let go. Use subliminals to train your subconscious to be more trusting of your own personal power. Affirm your self belief with positive affirmation. Surround yourself with people who believe in you. Eliminate stressful things in your life that cause you to doubt yourself. Third, not least, meditation. In my opinion, meditation is one of the best possible ways to let go of your desire. With faith, the aim of meditation is to free your mind from this controlling and constant chatter of the ego. When you are in state of deep meditation, you are in what Abraham Hicks called the receiving mode. All resistant and obsessive thoughts drop their guard, and you are left with the perfect state of flow. A daily meditation routine will allow you to strengthen your mind towards more conscious and purposeful thinking. So that's all about the manifestation in this video. I hope you all liked it. For all of you, I prepared a small presentation that will be going to share in the description box below. You can check it out from there. So before signing off, I would like to request you all please to like, share, subscribe this video with your loved ones so that they will get to know better. So this is Carrie Anderson signing off. We will definitely meet in the next video. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye and take care.